Hi students. Let's see how much you've learned in this chapter. Here's a quick revision of everything you've studied and learned so far. At the end, don't forget to share your score in the comments. You'll find the full playlist in the description below. What is the primary focus of biology? Option A. Study of inanimate matter. Option B. Study of life forms and living processes. Option C. Study of chemical reactions. Option D. Study of physical laws. The correct answer is study of life forms and living processes. What does biodiversity refer to? Option A. The number of living organisms in a specific area. Option B. The variety of species present on Earth. Option C. The total biomass of all organisms. Option D. The study of extinct species. The correct answer is the variety of species present on Earth. What is nomenclature? Option A. The process of classifying organisms. Option B. The process of naming organisms. Option C. The study of organism behavior. Option D. The identification of organisms. The correct answer is the process of naming organisms. Who developed the binomial nomenclature system? Option A. Charles Darwin. Option B. Ernst Mayr. Option C. Carolus Linnaeus. Option D. Gregory Mendel. The correct answer is Carolus Linnaeus. What are the two components of a scientific name? Option A. Family name and genus name. Option B. Genus name and specific epithet. Option C. Common name and scientific name. Option D. Order name and class name. The correct answer is genus name and specific epithet. In the scientific name Mangifera indica, what does Mangifera represent? Option A. Specific epithet. Option B. Genus. Option C. Family. Option D. Order. The correct answer is genus. What is the lowest taxonomic category? Option A. Genus. Option B. Species. Option C. Family. Option D. Order. The correct answer is species. What is taxonomy? Option A. The study of animal behavior. Option B. The classification of living organisms. Option C. The process of evolution. Option D. The study of genetic variations. The correct answer is the classification of living organisms. What does the term taxon refer to? Option A. A group of organisms. Option B. A single organism. Option C. A classification method. Option D. A biological process. The correct answer is a group of organisms. Which of the following is not a taxonomic category? Option A. Family. Option B. Order. Option C. Species. Option D. Population. The correct answer is population. What is the taxonomic rank above species? Option A. Genus. Option B. family. Option C, order. Option D, class. The correct answer is genus. Which category includes related families? Option A, genus. Option B, order. Option C, class. Option D, phylum. The correct answer is order. What is the highest taxonomic category? Option A, phylum. Option B, class. Option C, kingdom. Option D, order. The correct answer is kingdom. What is the primary basis for classification in taxonomy? Option A, morphological differences. Option B, behavioral traits. Option C, geographical distribution. Option D, color variations. The correct answer is morphological differences. Which of the following is an example of a genus? Option A, Homo. Option B, Sapiens. Option C, Animalia. Option D, Chordata. The correct answer is Homo. Which taxonomic category is characterized by both vegetative and reproductive features? Option A, genus. Option B, family. Option C, order. Option D, class. The correct answer is family. What does the term systematics encompass? Option A, only classification. Option B, identification and nomenclature. Option C, evolutionary relationships. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the significance of the International Code for Botanical Nomenclature? Option A, it standardized naming for animals. Option B, it standardized naming for plants. Option C, it defines species. Option D, it classifies organisms. The correct answer is, it standardized naming for plants. Which of the following is a characteristic of the taxonomic hierarchy? Option A, higher categories share more characteristics. Option B, lower categories share fewer characteristics. Option C, each category represents a rank. Option D, all categories are equal. The correct answer is, each category represents a rank. What is the role of identification in taxonomy? Option A, to classify organisms. Option B, to name organisms. Option C, to determine evolutionary relationships. Option D, to distinguish organisms. The correct answer is, to distinguish organisms. Which of the following is a characteristic of a species? Option A, only one organism. Option B, fundamental similarities among individuals. Option C, different genera. Option D, higher taxonomic category. The correct answer is, fundamental similarities among individuals. What is the taxonomic category for the common housefly? Option A, Musca domestica. Option B, Massidae. Option C, Diptera. Option D, Insecta. The correct answer is Musca domestica. What does the specific epithet in a scientific name indicate? Option A, the genus of the organism. Option B, the family of the organism. Option C, the specific species of the organism. Option D, the order of the organism. The correct answer is the specific species of the organism. Which of the following is a characteristic of the family taxonomic category? Option A includes only one genus. Option B includes multiple genera. Option C includes only one species. Option D includes only plants. The correct answer is includes multiple genera. What is the primary purpose of classification? Option A, to simplify the study of organisms. Option B, to create confusion. Option C, to eliminate biodiversity. Option D, to focus on a single organism. The correct answer is to simplify the study of organisms. Which of the following is an example of a family? Option A, Panthera. Option B, Felidae. Option C, Mammalia. Option D, Chordata. The correct answer is Felidae. What is the significance of the taxonomic hierarchy? Option A, it helps in understanding evolutionary relationships. Option B, it complicates classification. Option C, it eliminates the need for naming. Option D, it focuses only on species. The correct answer is, it helps in understanding evolutionary relationships. What is the classification of humans in the taxonomic hierarchy? Option A, Homo sapiens, Hominidae, Primata, Mammalia, Chordata. Option B, Homo, Hominidae, Mammalia, Chordata. Option C, Homo sapiens, Hominidae, Mammalia, Chordata. Option D, Homo sapiens, Primata, Chordata. The correct answer is Homo sapiens, Hominidae, Primata, Mammalia, Chordata. Which taxonomic category is characterized by the presence of no occurred? Option A, phylum. Option B, class. Option C, order. Option D, family. The correct answer is phylum. What is the main challenge in classifying organisms? Option A, lack of observable characteristics. Option B, continuous discovery of new species. Option C, limited scientific knowledge. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What is the correct format for writing a scientific name? Option A, both words in capital letters. Option B, first word capitalized, second in lowercase. Option C, both words in lowercase. Option D, first word in lowercase, second capitalized. The correct answer is first word capitalized, second in lowercase. Which of the following is a characteristic of the order taxonomic category? Option A, includes only one family. Option B, includes multiple families. Option C, includes only one genus. Option D, includes only plants. The correct answer is includes multiple families. What is the primary focus of systematics? Option A, naming organisms. Option B, classifying organisms. Option C, understanding evolutionary relationships. Option D, studying individual organisms. The correct answer is understanding evolutionary relationships. Which of the following represents a higher taxonomic category than class? Option A, order. Option B, genus. Option C, species. Option D, family. The correct answer is order. What is the role of ecological information in taxonomy? Option A, to classify organisms. Option B, to identify organisms. Option C, to understand organism relationships. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which of the following is not a characteristic of a genus? Option A, includes related species. Option B, has more characters in common than species of other genera. Option C, includes only one species. Option D, represents a higher taxonomic category. The correct answer is includes only one species. What is the significance of the scientific name Homo sapiens? Option A, it indicates the genus and species of humans. Option B, it is the common name for humans. Option C, it is the family name for humans. Option D, it is the order name for humans. The correct answer is, it indicates the genus and species of humans. What does the term characterization refer to in taxonomy? Option A, the process of naming organisms. Option B, the process of identifying organisms. Option C, the process of describing organisms. Option D, the process of classifying organisms. The correct answer is the process of describing organisms. Which of the following best describes the relationship between taxa? Option A, all taxa are equal. Option B, higher taxa share more characteristics. Option C, lower taxa share more characteristics. Option D, taxa cannot be compared. The correct answer is lower taxa share more characteristics. What is the main purpose of the International Code of Zoological Nomenclature? Option A, to classify plants. Option B, to standardize naming for animals. Option C, to define species. Option D, to eliminate biodiversity. The correct answer is to standardize naming for animals. What is the taxonomic classification of mango? Option A, Mangifera indica, Anacardiaceae, Sapindales, Dicotyledone, Angiospermae. Option B, Mangifera indica, Dicotyledone, Angiospermae. Option C, Mangifera indica, Dicotyledone, Angiospermae. Option D, Mangifera indica, Anacardiaceae, Sapindales. The correct answer is Mangifera indica, Anacardiaceae, Sapindales, Dicotyledone, Angiospermae. Which of the following is a characteristic of the class taxonomic category? Option A, includes only one order. Option B, includes multiple orders. Option C includes only one family. Option D includes only one genus. The correct answer is includes multiple orders. What does the term ecological conflict refer to? Option A, competition among organisms. Option B, cooperation among organisms. Option C, both competition and cooperation. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is both competition and cooperation. What is the significance of the taxonomic hierarchy? Option A, it simplifies the study of organisms. Option B, it complicates classification. Option C, it eliminates the need for naming. Option D, it focuses only on species. The correct answer is, it simplifies the study of organisms.